All right, you guys. So it is pretty amazing what happens when you wake up at 5 a.m. So I have 8 early CVS breakdowns for you guys. This is for the week of 6/30 through July 6, 2019. So I have all of the CRTs you need, all of the printable coupons. I would suggest you go and print them before they're no longer available. So I'm just going to hop into it. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not. Follow me on Instagram and let's talk some CVS couponing. The first deal is on L'Oreal. So L'Oreal is on a spend 40, get 10. And my favorite item from the L'Oreal skincare line has to be this pure sugar scrub. But I like getting the little ones to have on hand for gifts and travel and whatnot. So what I want you to do is pick up 6 of them. So they are $6.99 each. So that gets you to $41.97. Now, we still have insert coupons from the June 9th Retail Me Not. So go ahead and use one of the 5 off 2 coupons and use one of the $1.50 off 1 coupons. And I got a $5 off L'Oreal Sugar Scrub CRT. So with all those coupons, you are going to pay $30.44. Then you can get a $10 extra care buck. So final cost is $3.40 each. Now, I think there are some other CRTs printing for L'Oreal, so just keep a lookout for those. So the next deal is on the Windex. So Windex is priced 2 for $6 or $3 each. We still have those printable $1 off 1 coupons. I have it hyperlinked here. Go print it before that one's gone. So final cost is $2 each. So if you have some extra care bucks to roll, this would be a good time to do it. So Regal and AMC movie gift cards. When you buy a $50 gift card, you're going to get a $10 extra care buck. This is great, guys, especially for the summer movie plans. I know our local AMC and Regal movie groups, they have promos for the summer, so this could be a really good option for you. So the next deal is on select Nabisco snacks and crackers. So they are on sale 4 for $10. We got 75% off 2 coupons from the June 23rd Smart Source. So you would pay $5.50, but then you earn a $3 extra care buck. So it makes them $1 and no, you would pay $8.50 and then earn a $3 extra care buck. So final cost is just $1.83. Now I know that there is checkout 51 offers, but mine says the limit has been reached. So you can't. On my checkout 51, that limit has been reached. So the next deal is on the Chex Mix. So the Chex Mix is 3 for $3 or $1 each, and we have printable 50% off 2 coupons. So that makes these just 83 cents. So killer deal. So next deal is on the Suave Professional in the gold tube. They're on sale 2 for $6, and we're getting $1 off 2 coupon in our inserts on Sunday. And you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2. So that makes these guys just $1.50 each. Suave is a bonus brand on Fetch Rewards. So when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you're going to get some bonus points. So if you're not signing up for Fetch, there is a referral code in the description box. Use that code and you earn a bonus 2,000 points, which is $2. So the next deal is on Garnier. So Garnier is on sale 2 for $7, and we're getting a 4 off 2 coupon coming in our inserts on Sunday. I got a 2 off any Garnier CRT. So if you got that CRT, hold it for next week. So you'd end up paying 50 cents each after your coupon and CRT. You got that $2.25 off 10 CRT for hair care, then go ahead and combine the Suave Gold and the Garnier, and your final cost is going to be 43 cents each. So don't worry, I'm going to have this in the description box for you guys to follow along because this is a lot of math. So the next deal is on the Maybelline Baby Lips. So Maybelline is buy 2 and get a $6 extra care buck. So go ahead and buy 2 of the Maybelline Baby Lips. They are $4.49 each, so 2 of them will be $8.98. Use your $3 CRT that printed from the red machine for Maybelline. So you would pay $5.98, get a $6 extra care buck back, making these free. So killer deals at CVS this next coming week.